What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. This video, we shall be taking a good look at Tesla. I think it's been a while since I made a video on Tesla, but nothing much has changed because, the kind of videos I make on my channel are long-term videos, roughly like months. Some can take like weeks, so not days or hourly kind of price analysis or data analysis. So without wasting much of our time right here, we could see Tesla is at a major support right here based on what I said the last time. Tesla is obviously looking very well. We could see obviously in a crazy uptrend right here, which obviously we need to acknowledge. I'll be taking majority of all this right here away in order to avoid the chart from getting noisy. So back to where we're currently at right now, we could see that Tesla is doing very, very well. So far so good. We managed to find support around this level at 297, rallied all the way into $365. Right now, we are currently, we rallied as high as 23%. Now we are currently up 17.8%, which is very, very good. Now, given the situation of things right here with Tesla, you could see looking into the S&P 500, first of all, the S&P 500 is looking bearish. But left to me from the daily time frame, I would say the S&P 500 is trying to find balance, is trying to find support. So I still do think the S&P 500 could still drop much lower to 7,632 to as low as 7,598, which is definitely, I think, going to make the S&P 500, find support around that level and obviously bounce back. Now, in terms of Tesla right here, Tesla is doing very well from the daily. As we can see, we have broken this resistance right here at $348, rallied. Now we are finding support around this level. So I would say there are major things we need to consider right here for Tesla. It's either Tesla probably drops a little bit down to find support at 345. From here, we could rally much higher to this resistance right here at $411, because obviously, okay, I think I need to lock this for sure. So obviously from the weekly time frame right here, you could see this is obviously where the trend line is currently waiting for us. This downtrend right here, we haven't been able to break out of this resistance ever since we started this major pullback from here. So given the situation of things right here, I think that is definitely the resistance we need to break out of. The moment we break out of this resistance, then we are ready to rally much higher to our next major target, which our next major target is $607. So I would say this is pretty much all we need to understand right here. Worst case scenario for Tesla is obviously seeing Tesla breaking below this support right here, retesting, and we could see Tesla dropping all the way down to $295 or $289. I think that's just definitely it right here for the technical analysis. But in terms of the articles that I can find, so this is what I can see right here. I can see that Tesla is to launch cybercabs in Austin. I think Austin, Texas, starting 3rd of September. So, let me read through in order for us to know what to expect from Tesla. We could see Yahoo Finance senior auto reporter, Pras Subramanian, reporter on Tesla, launching cybercab starting on September 3rd in Austin. The company expects to roll out 2,500 robotaxis in 2026. Now we could see why Tesla is up 6.9% after robotaxi approvals and 500 semi-due news and what's next. So we could see earlier this month, Ride AB announced plans to deploy 500 Tesla semis on its Saga AI freight platform over the next 24 months across major US freight corridors, while regulators in Nevada and Texas approved Tesla to operate thousands of cyber cab robotaxis following its recently scheduled September 3rd Austin launch event. Together, these moves highlight Tesla's push to pair autonomous trucking and ride hailing with its software platforms, potentially deepening recurring revenue opportunities across both logistics and urban mobility. We will now examine how the planned scaling of Tesla's steering wheel-free cybercar fleet could reshape the company's broader investment narrative. Capitalize on the AI infrastructure supercycle with a selection of the 55 best picks and shovels of the AI gold rush, converting record-breaking demand into massive cash flow. Tesla investment narrative recap: to own Teslas today, you generally need to believe that that autonomy, software, and energy can meaningfully improve the quality of its earning, even as the core EV, which is electric vehicle business, faces margin pressure and recalls. The Enright Tesla semi deployment and cyber cap approvals both speak directly to the risk around high capital spending and uncertain regulatory timeline, particularly outside the US. Among recent news, Nevada's decision to let Tesla operate up to 5,000 robotaxis within a year is most relevant here. It reinforces the idea that cybercar scaling, if it proceeds as permitted, could accelerate Tesla's shift towards higher margin, recurring software and ride-hailing revenues, but it also concentrates more of the story on successful robotaxi execution and safety outcomes in a single region. Yet, investors should be aware that rising tariffs, subsidy changes, and mounting recall costs could all pressure Tesla's already thin 3.7 net margin. So, you could dive straight into this and read all you have to read from this article, but nothing changes where people are putting their money into. So I think Tesla is still a really good project. If you look at it from the monthly time frame right here, it is looking very good. This is obviously an uptrend right here, as you can see. So nothing seems to be stopping Tesla right now, other than the fact that it is most likely going to be rallying all the way into $600 sooner than later. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.